I found this bird, cockatiel, very sick, as you can tell, not looking good. And I tried my best to help it out. I've been trying to give her some baby food, but she's not eating. But I was able to force a little bit on her because she needs some food in her belly. Maybe that give her some strength, you know. She's looking pretty bad. Honestly, I don't know if she's gonna make it or not. There's nothing else that I can do. Because if you had put vitamins or anything else, she's too weak. I have to wait to see if she wakes up a little bit. If she gets a little bit strained. She's very weak. You can see. Hello. Hi. How are you? You're not alone. I'm here. Alright. I'm gonna keep giving her food every hour a little bit. Even though if she is not eating it, but I'm forcing a little bit. Every hour I'm gonna try to give her a little bit of food. I kind of warm it up in the microwave, a couple of seconds. And see, maybe there's a miracle. Maybe. I know. I have hope. She's not looking good. Help! I've been with this baby for hours, walking on her. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted later with good news. You see, positive. GG.